Hello and welcome to this video walkthrough of the Americana Towers building at 1636 North Wells in Chicago. The building is located in the Old Town section of the Lincoln Park neighborhood. It's a fantastic building. Let's go inside and take a look. Inside the lobby, you'll find the doorman station. The doorman is on duty 24/7. If you're concerned about security, and who isn't, there's nothing better than a 24-hour doorman. Most of the amenities of the building are located on the third floor. Let's go upstairs and have a look. One of the nicest assets of the building is the large outdoor pool. Whether you're looking to swim a few laps or just hang out with friends, it's a wonderful place to be. Just inside the outdoor pool area are separate men's and women's locker rooms. Inside the locker rooms, you'll find both showers and saunas. The building features an exercise room with a nice selection of equipment. The exercise room is available to all residents of the building, both owners and renters, at no additional charge. The building has a modern laundry room with plenty of machines so you can do multiple loads at once. The machines are all card operated, so you'll never have to worry about having enough coins. The building has a large party room complete with a full kitchen if you would like to host an event, such as a birthday party or a baby shower. The party room is also available for use as a quiet room if you would like to come in and read a book or just use your laptop computer. Returning to the first floor, the building has its own dry cleaners. The dry cleaners also does your package reception. Did you ever live someplace that had packages stolen off the front porch? You won't have that problem here. Just past the dry cleaners is the entrance to the garage. The building has 2 levels of covered parking and 1 level of uncovered parking. Rates are quite reasonable, and more importantly, there's almost never a waiting list. Additionally, the building is one of the few in the areas that offers guest parking. There is a small fee for it, but at least it is available. Returning towards the front of the building, there is an on-site management office. There are property managers on duty Monday through Friday from 9 to 5. Additionally, the maintenance staff and the doorman are on duty 24/7. There's many things to see and do in the neighborhood, not the least of which is the Second City Comedy Theater, which is almost next door to the building. The Second City Theater is where Saturday Night Live comedians John Belushi and Dan Aykroyd, among many, many others, got their start. So that's the Americana Towers building located in the Old Town neighborhood of Chicago. The next 4 blocks south of the building is Restaurant Row. So whether you like Italian food, Mexican food, sushi, and anything else in between, it's all waiting for you outside your door when you live at Americana Towers. So come on over, visit the building, then go out to get a bite to eat on Wells Street. I know that you're going to love it. If you're interested in units that are for sale or for rent at Americana Towers, please reach out and contact me. I do a lot of business in the building and frequently will find out about units before they hit the internet or the open market. Bruce Theobald at Lakefront Realty Group. Text messages and phone calls to 312-286-7402. Emails to bruce@brucetheobald.com. If you're going to email me, please put Americana Towers in the subject line so that way I won't miss your email. I look forward to hearing from you.